Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on creating sample SSIS package using multicast transformation. So the idea of creating this package is loading the data from the OLEDB source to the multiple destination files using the multicast transformation. The workflow in this package looks like in this way. So I am taking the table data from OLEDB source. So this is my AdventureWorks 2019 database. From then, I am using the multicast transformation. After that, from multicast, I'm loading the data into the different file formats: Excel, CSV, text, OLDB destination. So this is my sample database. My destination table is different from the different database from the my source table. So first I'm showing my table here. This is my table, which is in AdventureWorks 2019. Person, state, province. It all contains the country region code, state region code, and name of the state. All these things. It contains 181 records. So I want to load all these 181 records into the this different formats by using the multicast. So when I see my destination formats, right now I don't have any data. If you open any table, this is my text format, which is the state province, and this is my CSV format. This is also there is no data here, and this is my Excel sheet. In all my destination flat files don't have currently any data. After running the package, all those 181 records were pushed into these three tables. So coming to my destination, OLDB destination sample database. Right now, I haven't created any uh, sample, any table in my sample database. If you see, refresh this is my sample database, and right now we don't have any state per province table. The time of creating the package. Now first, this is my 2019 SSTT. This is my new package. I am dragging the data flow task into control pane. Double click to configure, and my source is AdventureWorks database table, because for that I am taking the OLDB source as my source table. I am naming this as AdventureWorks. Double click, and AdventureWorks. Click OK. I am taking the new table, that is person, state, province. So my configuration is done for source table. Next, I am dragging the multicast transformation. Multicast transformation is one of the transformations in the data flow. It can distribute the every input row to every row in one or more outputs. That means the input is from single source. By using the multicast, we can derive multiple outputs. The source is same, data is same, but we can generate multiple outputs. Number of outputs we can get by using the multicast transform. So after that, I am dragging the fill destination and flat file destination, and again flat file destination, because here I am taking both text and CSV file. For the both text and CSV file, the same destination is in flat file destination type CSV, and finally I am dragging the OLDB destination. And I am naming this OLDB destination as sample. My source is AdventureWorks, my destination is sample. Connecting the from multicast to all these different destination types. First, configure Excel. Take new browse. This is my D files target folder. In this folder, I have text, CSV, and Excel sources are there. I'm selecting this one. So here I'm going to new and I'm giving the name as state province. Okay. After that, you have to select the Excel sheet what you have. At the time of the selecting the Excel sheet, it will display two ways. One is the dollar symbol and one is without dollar symbol. So you have to select name with dollar symbol. Check the mapping. Everything is mapped. Whatever the columns that are there in the table, all columns are displayed from state province ID to modified date. State province ID to modified date. So configuration is done for Excel. Now I am taking the text, take new one, delimited. Here I want to load the data in pipe delimited. So I am selecting the state province name of the text document. Afterwards, here I am selecting the pipe delimited. For the pipe delimited, you have to select the vertical bar. Vertical bar as column delimiter for pipe delimited data. And this is my CSV file. Take new, delimited. And here you have to select the all CSV files. I have only CSV file in this folder. So finally, destination table. So I'm selecting the new. Admin is my server name. Sample is my database. So I already said I don't have any table for this data. Now I'm creating new table, naming it as state underscore province. So no need to do any manual mapping. So all set. The package design is completed. So from adventure works to multicast, from multicast to different file formats. This is the design of this package. So by using multicast, we can derive a number of outputs from single source to multiple outputs. So I'm running the package. Once again, make sure refresh the table. Province is created. So we don't have any data. Now I'm running the package. 181 rows, 181 rows, everything. So from adventure works to data will load into different file formats using the multicast transformation. So we will check the destination table first. In sample, see here, all 181 records are loaded. Afterwards, go and check your text file. So my our delimiter is tab pipe delimiter. So all 181 records are loaded in pipe delimited CSV file. This is my CSV file. So if we check the CSV file, here also 181 records are loaded. This is my Excel shows, Excel destination. So this is how you need to design your package when you want to load from the single source to the multiple destination files using multicast transformation. Hope this video is helpful to know about the package, how to design the package using multicast transformation. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.